How to screen mirror Android phone to Roku TV. To screen mirror on your Android phone to Roku TV, you'll typically use the Android device built-in screen mirroring or casting features or the third-party applications like AirBeamTV. Now ensure both your phone and a Roku are connected to a same Wi-Fi connection. Now here, what you have to do is, first thing, before you actually do it, you want to check your Android device. That is, look for screen mirroring or casting feature in your phone settings, often under connected devices or display. Then you just need to choose your Roku TV from the list. Now what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna use my Netflix, and next I'm going to go ahead and open up the particular series or maybe a TV show that I want to cast, and click on the cast icon in the top right corner of your screen. As you do it, so you will then be able to see the connections or the nearby devices. So if this is a particular one, you simply want to go ahead and click on it. As you do it, so you want to make sure that your TV is already turned on, or you will be able to see this sort of interface, right? So what you need to do is, you simply want to go ahead and click on Android Mirror. As you do it, so you want to then go ahead and read about this terms and conditions, and if you are sure about it, click on detect, and moving on, you'll have successfully done it. So this is how you'll be able to screen mirror Android phone to Roku TV. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.